Hello everybody, and hope you're having a great day. For this video, I'm going to cover how to create a category. So, on the left of your dashboard, select Catalog, and then we'll see Categories and a plus. If you click the plus, the category editor will pop out from the right-hand side of the screen. Or, if you select the text categories, it'll take you to the main categories page. Now from here, go to the top right-hand corner of the screen, click on the green New button, and this brings up the category editor. Now the only requirement for a category is that it has a name. So let's go ahead and give it one. I'll name it Video Test. And now if you're ready to create your category, just go to the top right hand corner of the screen, select the green Save button. Now if you want your category to be its own main category, then leave the parent category section blank. However, if you'd like for it to be a subcategory of another category, click on the blue folder, and this will display all of your categories. Select one, and then go to the top right hand corner and click the green Select button. Short description is going to be a description that your customers can see about the category. Next we have the SEO information. Now SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and that's used for search engines to be able to find your categories, your products, things like that easier. It will appear higher in the search results. So the first section of SEO information is custom URL. Now since we named our category Video Test, by default the URL address after the .com will say /video-test.aspx. However, if we'd like for that to say something else, we can add it here. Now the format is you must start with a /, and then you can call it whatever, like Video Test Custom, and then I'm going to end it with a .aspx. Next up is the page title, and this is just going to appear in the title bar on your browser. Now the meta keywords, meta description, and head tags all have to do with SEO. The better your keywords and description, the higher up on your search, on the search results, this category will appear. Next, under category content, we have external content. Now external content is just a way for you to show content from another file or URL, such as like a splash screen or an animation. And we also have category header content and category footer content. Now this is just a way for you to put extra content in either the header or the footer of your category. Up next is the category images. If you would like for your category to have a thumbnail associated with it, you can select that here, and you can also give that thumbnail text. Under the display settings, we have hide category. So if you would like to be able to create a category but not have your customers the ability to see this category, just select that. We have a few more options, such as requiring your customers to log in to view the category, and display category contents is used in conjunction with the external content URL. So that'd be a way you'd use that if you want to display a splash screen. So for the advanced settings, we have max items per order. Now this is just used to set a limit to how many products can be ordered from this particular category. And we also have override rating dimension group. Now what this is used for is this allows your customers different types of ratings for a single product, like style or quality or durability, etc. Okay, here once we save, so let me do that real quick, for category specific layout settings, if you have multiple, or if you have different layouts for different themes on your store, you'd be able to choose that here. And then we have the top category specific widgets area and bottom category specific widgets area. And all you do here is click on the add widget button, and you can choose widgets to put in your category. And the last section is custom fields. So if you have any custom fields created, you'd be able to select them here. Alright, so now if you would like to delete your category, let's find it right here, or actually right here, excuse me. There will be a trash can So click on that. And you have three options. So the first option, if let's say this category has subcategories, it says delete subcategories entirely, and that will completely get rid of everything. To use this option, you also have to delete all of the products. So if you do this, any product that is in this category or subcategory will be deleted. The second option is delete or attach subcategories to the parent category, or attach subcategories to destination category. Now if you have one of these selected, if you have this one selected, it will get the products, and if this is a subcategory, it will get the products and put it in the main category. Or if you choose attach subcategories to destination category, scroll down and you can actually choose where these products will go. I'm just going to select the first one, so delete subcategories entirely, select delete products, and then top right hand corner of the screen, click on the green delete button. And now our category is deleted.